Hello, everyone. This is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today, we're going to talk about the all-new Experian Go. Okay, so if you haven't heard, Experian has now come out with a new product called Experian Go. It's essentially the exact same as freecreditscore.com when they bought them out. And essentially, it is a free membership through Experian. And they essentially let you add Experian Boost, which of course is going to increase your credit score. And, the regular, what is that? Credit card suggestions, loan suggestions, essentially like Credit Karma does. So it's really no different, in my personal opinion, than freecreditscore.com, which is also a free membership, a FICO score, access to Experian Boost. For those who don't know, freecreditscore.com was actually a standalone product away from Experian. Then they bought them out, along with Experian buying many other companies as well too. So if anything, it's more of a rebranding of essentially saying, hey, get our free membership, which of course has always been free, and then of course get instant access to Experian Boost, which is also free and a part of the membership, which it always has been. However, now that with them putting it specifically under a process, under a product, I should say, and then essentially saying, hey, it's free and get your FICO score. So not against it in any way, just more so setting the expectations that it's really the same stuff as they've always had. It's just got a name now, so but they're essentially saying that you can build your own credit score. And that's really not what's happening. Experian Boost, of course, has been out for quite some time. You guys have already been seeing it on commercials and such, the radio. They've been pushing it pretty hard. And long story short, with that, you're able to add, of course, your subscriptions, your paid subscriptions to your credit report. But it only affects, of course, Experian only because it's only added to Experian only. That said, now they're essentially pushing it slightly differently. So it's more of a rebranding, if you ask me, of what how to get Experian Boost along with how to get a free membership with Experian with a FICO score that comes with it. Okay, so just setting the expectations. It's nothing really new, just another name, and but it's nothing additional that you can do if you've already had freecreditscore.com or even a regular membership with Experian.com. It's all the exact same. Okay, so of course, if you like this video, like it, you want to share it, and as always, be sure to subscribe as we have nothing but great content well on the way. Thank you all so much. Have a great day.